Hello everyone, this is David, and in this guide we're gonna be looking at the power of quick pop-ups. I actually mentioned this in the group. If you're not in the Groove Help group, Facebook group, you can check the link in the description. Okay, I'm going to show you a few use cases I've used this for and where I've tested it out and it's working perfectly, and why I decided to go for this. A backstory is I wanted to set up a page for a client, but his payment gateway is not supported in Groove, so I had to think of ways that I can fix this and make it work so smoothly and perfectly. And by fortune, quick pop-ups was just released and it works great. So I'm just going to show you how I use it. So this is a demo page, and I'm just going to show you a few use cases. First is the book a call. On the book a call, you simply click on it and it brings, let me reload the page. I've already done this, so let me just reload this page so you see how it works. You see it in real time. And booking a call, you simply click on it and it's going to take a few seconds, but it's going to load in now. You can see. So that's done. And on the pay now, you click on it and same thing, and you can see how it fades in and fades out. I'll show you how I did that. And then fill this. This is a survey form. Yeah, you can see this was made with Tally, and they're all external. This is a payment, this is a survey form, and this is a booking page. So let me just go into my Groovepages account and show you how I achieve all this. Let me delete this block. Let me just go with this block. Let me bring in a new block right now. Wireframes, checkout form. Let me just use a checkout form. Okay, so here. Okay, this was the one I actually used before, if you notice. And I'm just, yeah, okay, it's loaded in now. So let me just delete this container, and then I'll import a button here. So two elements, and then I'll bring in a button here, and then yeah, the button just loads in. So I'm just going to duplicate this into 3 places to show you how I actually use this. So this is button 1. I'll be connecting it to the book a call. I'm just going to copy the link from here. Control A, Control C. Yeah, and same with this. Control A, Control C. And then this is the third one, which is the survey form from Tally. Control A, Control C. And that's it. So I'm just going to impute them here, and you can see how it works. You can head over to their individual websites, tally.so, which is this, and then Calendly, and of course your payment gateway of choice, or any other external applications you intend on using. So the first is just the booking. First you click on the button and you go into configure, you go into a pop-up, you click on the pop-up on the drop down for link to, and then your pop-up type, you click on quick pop-ups, and then your quick pop-ups content. Here you can see the Groove Sell checkout and Groove Mail forms. These are directly integrated. So for the Groove Mail form and Groove Sell checkout, if you notice on the upgrade page of Groove, here they are using the Groove Sales checkout, and as soon as you click on it, it brings up the secure payment server, which is Groove's gateway. Yeah, you can see how gorgeous it looks. So let me just close that. That utilizes Groove Sell checkout, but we're going to be doing an external URL. You can do this for Groove Mail forms too. Here you choose on the you click on the Groove Mail form icon, and you click on you select the Groove Mail form you intend on using. But I don't want to do that, as that's like, okay, so after you select the Groove Mail form here, you can select the redirect link. You can redirect it to a block or URL or anything here. But what we're going to be doing now is using external URLs, which is the main issue, as that is what actually leads you to another page. So on the URL part, you just simply click on it, and if you notice on the Groove Mail form, there's a thank you redirect link. This is not, as this is an in-house app in Groove, it has an inbuilt redirect link, but we're going to be using a URL, which are external apps, external services, which is not the case. So in this case, we're just going to have to use just a URL. So let me just paste in my URL here, Windows V, and URL. So let me just start with the booking form, which is Calendly here, and that I just put it in now. So that's it, and you go down, you select pop-up appearing animation. So this is where you get the effects I put on that page, which is as it fades in and you close it, it fades out. You can see. So let's just go back, and you guys go down to fading. You can use any of these animations, but I believe that the fading and fade out just looks cleaner on the page, and it's like a subtle addition to make it all look very smooth. So on the fade out, you just click on it, and button main label, you can just put book now, and use left icon. I just update the page, and you can see it's updated. And I'm just gonna leave that and do the same exact steps for the 3 buttons, and configure. You link to quick pop-up here, quick pop-ups, and select it to URL again. And I'm just gonna choose this Windows V. Here I'm just gonna choose the payments, and then you go pop-up appearing animation, you go fade in and fade out, pay now here, pay now, and you simply update. The third button, same steps, URL, pop up here, quick pop-ups, URL, and you simply from here on you just choose the link. On the third one, I'm going to be using the form, and you just go down, fade in and fade out, fade out. It's gonna be around here. All right, that's it. And here you're just gonna put fill this and update. And as soon as that's done, you save. Let me see if I can I should just delete this ones. Confirm. And here I delete this too. Oh, that's the container. I want to delete the block. Let me just close this. I think the page is okay. Yeah, it's working now. I'm just gonna delete the block here and confirm. And it's just gonna be the first one which we imported just now. We simply publish, which is gonna save the page automatically and publish it, and that's it. It's gonna save the page, and then before it's published, you can see it's saved, and then it's gonna publish it. So you don't actually need to click on the save button again. So you simply click on this, and from here, let's just it's not yet loaded in, so let me just reload this, and it's working now. So these are the 3 buttons we are testing out now. So the first one is book now. You click on it, yeah, you can see it right there, and it fades out. You can see the animation. And then the second one is the pay now, and you can see, and it fades out. And then the third one is fill this, You fill it, and let's just see what can we do to improve this product. I don't know. Let's just put yes, just something to be there, and let's just submit this. Submit now. I've actually looked at this form before. So due to the fact that web pages save what do I call it, cookies, they actually know I've clicked on this before, and I've clicked on 4 stars before, so that's a good thing, I guess. So you just have to submit now, and as soon as it's submitted, I've already set up my site as the redirect link, so it redirects to the site automatically, and that's what we want, right? So yeah, it works great. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, you can leave that in the description, and you can join the Groovehelp group for more tips and updates. See you in the next one, I guess. Peace.